In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the mobile app for Project Insight. When you first log into the mobile app, you'll see your work list. This list is accessible from the lower left-hand corner, and it's highlighted in blue right now. The work list contains all of the tasks that you're assigned to, as well as any approvals or issues or any assignable item will show in this list. When you would like to make a status update to one of the items, simply touch on the task and it'll take you to the status. From here, you can touch the button that says started or not started to change the status. In this case, I'm going to mark it almost done, and you can enter a comment here as well. When you're done with the comment, you simply press the save button, and your status of your task as well as your comment will be sent to the system and it's updated. If you go back to your work list, you'll see that the status of the task is updated and you can move to the next item. If it's marked done, it will drop off the list automatically. If there are any related items like files attached, you can open the related items. You can actually add another item here. You can submit a new file, take a photo, choose an existing photo, and upload it that way. You can also add time if you have time entry turned on to your workspace. So in this case, I want to add an hour of consulting by choosing 1 hour, add a description that if you want to, and it'll tell you that you've marked it done. I'd like to go back to my task list as well, or my task that I was on. So from here, you can then see the task and head right back to your work list. If you would like to manage your projects, you can choose the next icon at the bottom there, and then you'll see the list of all the projects that you are assigned to. Note there's a little yellow number 1 there. That means that I have a task that I need to do on this project that is not completed. I can click on it and you'll see the little yellow work with a number 1 in it. That is a task that I must do for this project. I can also just look at the status of all of the tasks in the project or issues and look at any documents or related items as well from this list. You can also enter time on this task as well, or on this project if you do not have a task. The third icon on the bottom is your notifications. This will show you any notifications that were sent to you. The fourth icon on the bottom is your time entries and your timesheets. If you are a timesheet approver, you can go over here to approve timesheets. If you're a regular user, you can go to this area to submit your timesheets or create more time entries by choosing any of these options. The fourth option on the left is where you would, if you're using expense management, where you can upload receipts as well. I'm not going to show that in this video, but click back to your work list to head back to your work list. If you have multiple workspaces with us, you can navigate over here to see your profile and choose any of your other workspaces, as well as appointments, or you can sign out as well from the main menu.